everyone! Today we are going to be learning how to make your art say its name. Sounds weird, right? But we'll find out what I mean in a minute. Before that, I want to remind you guys to let your beautiful artwork be seen by us and everyone else. You can do that by telling your parents to send your artwork to media@teenprimetime.org, and make sure to include your project title, your name, your grade, your school, and we will showcase that and show it off on our website. And next, I'm going to do a balloon. So draw out your object and now write in what this object is. So ball and balloon. Make sure that your letters are the same shape that your object is in. That's why my N is a little bit crooked and my B and my O, but it's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. Your regular letters into box letters and connect them to your first outline. I'm going to go in with my red marker and outline and fill in my letters. I just went ahead and did more balloons so that it could look more like a party and less like the movie It. And there we have our balloons.